We've got one more white oak on the log deck out there. We're gonna go cut into 1-inch boards. I see the sun trying to poke out a little bit. Simply a gorgeous day out. $12 and a half. Oh, this is pretty big on this. 13 and a half. A little bit of swoop to it, but it should cut well. About 8 foot, 8 foot 6 inches. We should get about 32 board feet. Not much. All right, so we have a nice white oak log on here again, so we're gonna do the same thing, 1-inch boards. We have a little split up here. What's the ends look like? Good, no cracks through it. You can see where the split, oh, I got a little black spot. I think that's probably from the forks. All right, let me clean this. Is there anything else I should mention? Oh yes, that blade that I just put on, I sharpened it. That's that blade I went through those bolts. I checked the set. I had to set a couple of teeth. Hopefully I didn't overset them or anything like that. But for the most part, they're all still sitting at about 20 to 25 thousandths of set. Only time I reset them is if they got down to around 10, 15. If they're around 15, it was questionable. A couple were 15, but most of them were still in the 20s. I didn't check, obviously, everyone. I go around in a few quadrants. All right, so we'll see how this cuts. I'm interested to see how this cuts. I'm going to cut, or clean that right there, in case I got to get a little lower. Right here. Oh yeah, a lot of dirt there. I think that's a good way to do it. All right, the mill's warmed up. Let's get everything laid out here. Phone, see what the temperature says. Give me a minute. You're not going to believe this. Today's February 1st. It is 41 degrees. That's why I like February.
This oak is pretty clean, not a whole lot of knots on it. I'm experimenting with this picture-in-picture view. What do you think? I kind of like it. Gives you an idea of what I'm doing while I'm sitting there. I'm actually watching the saw and watching the amperage gauge and making sure everything's working fine.
It never gets old coming out here, guys. Pretty nice boards, though. I don't know if you can see it on this board or not, but these boards are, part of this log is still frozen. All I can tell is the sawdust is still frozen right to the wood. Little crack in that one, because this is going right through the heart, or the pith. Do you guys get a chance, for you guys who mill, do you get a chance to mill much white oak? I really enjoy milling white oak. See that? The forks have already stained it though, turned it black. That's what iron does to lumber. Oak lumber, that is. We've been getting some really nice white oak boards, guys. I haven't figured out how many board foot I have here yet, but maybe I'll do that today. My project, I got a couple of projects, and I do have some I got to mill for a customer. Actually, these might be enough for him, this stack of 5. How many did he needs to cover? 10 feet, 4 feet by 10, 40 square feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, there's only 7. So he needs 7 times 9, 63. That's only 5 feet. So he needs double that. So 2 of these piles will work for him. So I'm really happy. I need, though, over 1,000 feet of this stuff. Board feet. Or I got to cover about 1,000 square feet. That's what I want, at least get stocked up. I got some in the kiln right now. Probably 2 piles. Maybe there's only 1 pile. I think there's only 1 pile. So, but I'm gonna get another white oak, and I got some maple. I got a lot to mill this year. But I've accomplished what I wanted to in the last couple of weeks. Getting ready for my knee surgery. At this time, this knee surgery is well over. And when you see this video, it'll be about 5 or 6 weeks after my knee surgery. My knee surgery is in about another week. So I'm really excited about this. Well, actually, it's a lot more than that. It was 2 weeks yesterday. Do you guys mill white oak, though? That was my question. And what do you think of it? What do you use it for? I know they use it for flooring, stair treads, furniture making. I want to cut some thicker. I have a lot of white oak. I think I'm going to cut some 2-inch slabs this year. I have not got a lot of experience with slabbing wood. I could only go 22 inches wide, though. But I might slab a few. But that'll do it, guys. Take care. I'll see you at the mill next time. Hey, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You have a great day.